Hey guys, it's me Alina. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing how I do my eyebrows. So, first time when I threaded my eyebrows, I remember vividly it was before the first day of my college, and my friend's sister, she did it for the first time, and when she plugged, I was like, what the beep. But somehow I bear the pain and did the upper portion of my eyebrow. And I heard it from my friends and my mom and aunts that more than the upper portion, threading the lower portion of your eyebrows hurts. It hurts like hell. So I said, Didi, bus, I'll just do the upper portion and I'll not do the lower portion. And I left her home like that only. So yeah, that was my little eyebrow story, and from then till date I never shaved or threaded my lower portion of the eyebrow. Now touch wood, naturally I have like longer eyebrows and they are good. If I like thread them and brush them in the upward direction, I am good to go. I do not need any product. Also, I like that natural brushed up bushy looks, but recently I have learned that just filling your eyebrows make a huge difference to your face. So today I will be showing how I fill in my brows, basically to look how they are looking now. So let's get started. So guys, that's my natural eyebrows. Now they are long and kind of in a place, but they are sparse in some places, as you can see here. So let's start filling them. So for filling them, I'm using this ADS eyebrow pencil. This is for 20 or 30 bucks, I guess, and a regular angle brush. As I said you that I do not shave or thread my lower portion of the eyebrows, so I do not define the lower parts, I only define the upper parts. So let's start. Also here I'm using a black color eyebrow pencil because my hair color is black. So yeah. So after like shaping it or after like outlining the upper portion, now I will start filling in the middle portion of my eyebrows. Once the outlining of the upper portion and filling in the brow is done, now I will start filling in the front portion, and for this I will be using vertical strokes and I will make the front portion lighter as compared to the tail portion. So yeah. Now for the lower portion, I do not outline them. I just use a little bit of the pigment and run the brush in the direction of the hairs, so it looks like a brushed up eyebrow. So yeah, it's done. You can already see a difference between both the eyebrows. Now if I'm going to college or outing with my friends, or almost every time I just leave them like this, they looks natural, but when I'm going for a wedding or function, I just like to run a mascara wand so that it keeps the brows in place. Basically, I said I do not thread, so I have longer brow hairs, so this helps to keep them in place. So yeah, it's done and I will be back after doing this eyebrow. So guys, this is how my eyebrows look after filling them. They are long, thick and bushy as I like them. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do subscribe guys, it means a lot to me. Also like this video, and you can also follow me on my Instagram at this. Also, thank you so much Sima Tiwari for your lovely comment. Please keep loving and supporting me. Also, a big thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel, watch my videos, comment on them. Thank you so much. So yeah, take care. Bye bye.